Welcome back to Awida's Kitchen. Today I'll be preparing oxtail, but what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to marinate it overnight to cook it in the morning so you guys could see how I prepare it. So first, I'm going to add some green season. I'm also going to add some black pepper, some all-purpose, some garlic powder, some special jerk, and some tomato seed, some salt, and last but not least, I'm going to use some oxtail seasoning. And guys, when you're using this, you don't have to use any browning. And my hands are clean, so I'm going to mix in this. And I'm going to leave it overnight to marinate. So I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight to marinate. Good morning, guys. Well, I'm going to prepare the oxtail now. So let's go. So I'm going to start now by browning my oxtail. And after I finish browning my oxtail, I'm going to pressure it so it could cook much faster. Yes, so I'm going to leave them to brown. So after I finish brown the other side, I'm going to pressure it. Okay. So okay guys, I'm going to transfer my meat to my pressure cooker. And then when I finish pressure it, I'm going to put it back in the pot that I browned the meat and cook it down. So alright, I'm going to throw my seasoned water on my meat. And I'm going to pressure it now for maybe 15 to 20 minutes because I don't want my oxtail to get too soft. I just want it tender because I'm going to cook it down again in the frying pot. Alright guys, my meat finished pressure now. After 25 to 30 minutes, I'm going to add back my meat in my pot that I brown it up into. Okay. Yes guys, and the first thing that I'm going to add to this is some spinach. If you choose to, you can just use your broad bean, okay? So guys, these are the rest of the ingredients from my oxtail dish. And the first thing I'm going to add in my pot now is some spinners, right? You don't have to use it, you know, but I choose to use it today. You can only use your broad bean and put it in there, right? But I'm going to use both of them, and I'm going to also add some ketchup and some more oxtail seasoning, right, with all of these. So I'm going to start now. My spinners, make them as small as possible, because you don't want no big spinners in your oxtail dish, right? Make them small and neat. So when I finish put them in, I'll show you. Alright guys, I'm going to put in my carrots. Okay, you know, so this take a little time to cook. Also, I'm going to add some onion. Piece more thyme. A pepper. And last, I'm going to put in my broad bean and my sweet pepper, because I don't want it to cook out too much. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to cook just a couple minutes, and then I add in my rest of my ingredients. Alright, I'm going to add my broad bean. I'm going to also add my sweet peppers. And some ketchup. Not a whole heap, but just for flavor. So guys, my oxtail is finished. So I'm gonna plate some now for you guys to see the finished dish, okay? So here guys, here's my finished oxtail. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.